Now, going back on this topic, we have x over x minus 1 minus a over a minus 1. Okay? Now, it says here that you combine your numerator and denominator into a single quotient. So, what does that mean? I-cross multiply mo ni siya. Okay? We have x times a minus 1 all over, sige, ano na to? Cross multiply. By cross multiplying, I am saying na in yung forma, x times a minus 1, you cross multiply it this way, minus a times x minus 1. Okay? That would be all over x minus 1 times a minus 1. So look at your denominator, you just take the product. Okay? Now all over x minus a. Okay? At this point, you just take this as your reciprocal. And we try to distribute this one. And when we try to combine like terms, kasig na atay makancel. Okay? Ax minus x minus ax minus a. That would be all over x minus 1 times a minus 1. Note that na kay x minus a sa baba. You can just simply take this as your reciprocal. You can treat your x minus a as x minus a over 1. So this becomes 1 over x minus a. So, kaning numerator nimo, you just simply cancel it out. And then, ang mabilin is negative x plus a. That would give us negative x plus a all over x minus 1 times a minus 1 times x minus a. Now, if you look at this one, kaning negative x plus a, we can just simply express it na may siya negative x minus a. Recalling yung topic nato sa previous lessons, you can just if mag-distribute ka o negative or positive sign, or you try to factor out your negative sign, you just simply change your sign sa sulod. So, now at this point, na kay x minus a, na kay x minus a sa baba. This simply becomes negative 1 all over x minus 1 times a minus 1. Okay? So from that, we manage to make our fraction this way. Okay? How about this one? We have x over y minus y over x all over x over y squared plus y over x squared. The method here is dili mag-cross multiply. You just take the LCD. So look at your denominator, na kay y, na kay x. Na kay y squared, na kay x squared. Unsay LCD ana na upat na terms. So the LCD is x squared, y squared. Okay? You have your y, you have your x, your y squared, and x squared. The LCD for all of these terms is x squared, y squared. So you just simply multiply both the numerator and denominator with x squared over y squared. X squared, y squared. Okay? So at this point, you distribute x over y times x squared, y squared minus y over x squared, y squared. All over x over y squared times x squared, y squared plus y over x squared times x squared, y squared. Now, if you try to apply your laws of exponents, makancel out mo ang y, kani mahimo na lang siya 1. Your x will be cancelled likewise on this way, mahimo siya 1. Sa baba, you have your y squared, you have your y squared, cancel. X squared, mahimo siya x squared. And you're simply left with x cubed minus y cubed all over x cubed plus y cubed. X cubed, item x cubed y all minus xy cubed. I forgot na napaday y and x direct. Okay? Now, at this point, we are tempted na basig pwede na nato i-final answer. But however, this is actually a special product formula, and you can try to factor out a common factor. So sa numerator, our common factor is xy. So that becomes x squared minus y squared. We are applying our concept of factoring. Okay? So this one, x cubed plus y cubed, this is the sum of two cubes. We are using our special product formula or our special factoring form. This just simply becomes x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay? So, you have your x squared minus y squared. You can also factor this out. This becomes x plus y and x minus y using what we know in our special product formula. Okay? Now, na kay x plus y dire, na kay x plus y dire. Okay? So that will give us actually your final answer, xy times x minus y all over x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay? So, this is your final answer. If you try to factor this out, wala na kayo ma-cancel any further. Okay? So, questions on the two methods? None? In your problem solving, ang pinaka-common jud niyo na ma-encounter is yung method 1 over method 2. Although method 2, you can apply if dali lang ninyo ma-detect ang LCD sa inyong denominator. But most of the time, your denominators will have a complicated na LCD. That is why it is recommended na you cross-multiply as much as you can. Okay? So, for today, kutubra sa dire kay actually I have a related emergency. But I will flash you the sample problems and then we'll try to answer next meeting, okay? So, ay napatay. Kasi this one, isingit lang ako padali, napatay isa ka slide. So, there will be rational fractions na dili siya fraction tan-awon at first, pero naka-negative ang exponent. Okay? Naka-negative ang exponent, meaning need niyo siya ibaba sa denominator. So we have this one, for example, x raised to the negative 3, y raised to the power of 5, minus 3x raised to the negative 4, y raised to the power of 6. If you convert that into a rational expression, when you have a negative exponent, you need to have it converted into positive exponents. So from that form, may mo siya ing ani. Y raised to the 5th all over x cubed minus 3y raised to 6 over x raised to 4. Now, x raised to 3, x raised to 4, ang LCD niya is x raised to 4. So sa first term, mag-multiply ka lang ng x over x. Para kaning x cubed, may mo siya x raised to 4. And your numerator becomes xy raised to 5. Same ang denominator, you can just simply combine it such that it becomes xy raised to 5 minus 3y raised to 6 all over x raised to 4. Okay? So, sa inyong quiz next week, I will give you a problem na dili siya fraction tan-awon, pero naka-negative ang exponents. Ang first step ana is you need to convert it into a rational expression first. Okay? Now, before I dismiss you, i-flash lang ako ang mga sample problems that I will try to discuss next meeting. Ngani. Expect nasa quiz ninyo same difficulty level. Okay? So, you have your complex fractions, you have adding your fractions, you have your negative exponents. Okay? So, again, try to solve it on your own and I'll try na isingit ni siya before sa radical expression na lesson on Thursday. So, isa-isa lang ako pakita sa inyo how do you solve this problem. Okay? So, any clarification? Questions? None? Okay? If none, see you on Thursday. Class dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Ha?